This is a tune I wrote a few years back at after going to an alchemical fire circle. And the first night was the Negretto night, the first stage of alchemy, where it's the dark night of the soul. It's where you're turning your lead into gold, but you're starting from the very base point. And it's very much about being in the darkness, embracing the darkness that people were talking about earlier. And starting to come out of it with a little bit of, there's a few other things in there you might recognize. God's rest ye merry gentle folk, let nothing you dismay. Remember, you can make a difference each and every day to save us all from abuse of power when we have gone astray. For tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. We're tired of black ribbon tonight. We got to die. We get a tired of black ribbon tonight. We've got to die. No time to think of the light. We gotta survive this darkest night. We get a tired of black ribbon tonight. We've got to die. We gotta throw it all to the fire so we can learn. We gotta throw it all to the fire, release and return. Gotta turn away from the old, gotta transform this lead into gold. You gotta throw it all to the fire so we can burn. Ho, ho, Negretto, spirit is tumbling into abyss. Ho, ho, Negretto, no endless ordeal, no pain that I feel is sweeter than this. Into the ground before we can fly. We've gotta dance it into the ground, sing and sanctify. We've gotta let go who we think we are, sacrifice all we've done so far. We've gotta dance it into the ground before we can fly. a stone cold truth.
Star of light, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light, guide us to thy perfect light.